किसके नाम पे जा रहा हो किसी को चलेगा
यार अभी जाएंगे वहाँ, इससे ज़्यादा मगजमारी करने का क्या मतलब होएगा? तुम्हारा भी टाइम मेरा भी टाइम।
This was very disturbing, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. Extremely concerning, distressing and disturbing, and it has to stop. It has to stop with immediate effect.
Today this video is about the COVID negative report which has not been strictly checked at the Patra Devi border, and this has been happening on a regular basis. And I have here with me a passenger who travels Goa, Pune, Goa on a regular basis. So this is where the checks are not being done, money is collected and people are let scot-free into Goa. That is from when they're entering from Maharashtra into Goa. So I will talk to this passenger who's been traveling and let him share his experience as to what is happening at the border. Please do share your experience with everyone.
Okay friends, let me tell you that I travel Goa, Pune, Goa very often, and on the last 2 consecutive occasions, which I have recorded, I've been in this luxury bus, in this sleeper bus, where the bus enters Patra Devi, and the conductor, the driver, the bus people, they very openly tell the people, if you do not have a test, continue sitting in the bus and pay 250 rupees and do not worry about going to the kiosk, the rapid antigen test kiosk that has been set up by the government for your test. So in my first recording, which is on the 26th of August, it's not very clear, but the conversation is clear where I saw this happening and I was late to record, but I demanded to know who the officials were who were allowing this to happen. Now let me tell you about the incident that happened yesterday, which I have on my phone. Alright, the people were made to, get off the bus. Then the driver said that those who are not carrying a 72-hour prior test report, or who have taken only 1 dose, or who have not done testing, please stay back, and the others who have got the valid test report to go and show it to the officials at the kiosk. Alright, then he said that magajmani kyun karne ka, you pay me 250 rupees here and go back and sit in the bus. This has been very clearly recorded. This has happened inside Patra Devi, just 50 meters away from where 2 policemen were standing to man the 4-wheelers that were coming in. Alright, this is extremely disturbing. Goa has lost many people in the last wave, and if this is how our people in whom the government puts their trust work, then this is not correct, and this will lead to further cases when the 3rd wave comes in.
Moja balo toplo, koborai koni novi, goinchi bumi kalizata, ji asleili dovi. Covid zaun look melo, serkarasa tonda kurun savi, hata poyat kiten gotta, borderar Patra Devi. Kuichi bas goya yetana lokak, Covid certificate zai potta. Jor certificate na wasong dina, Covid test tu ka korung data. Puna tan bas ye goya, etana poi kiten gotta. ₹250 rupya घेऊन Covid test, nasana lokak sota. Second wave yung look poi me चिंतल्यार पिड्यार जाता मन ओजारांनी गोंयकार मेले बायलो लोक गोंया बोन तोरूय मोतऱ्यांक मातूय लोजना मिटिंगो ते कोतात फुडें सोन बाबू आज गांवकार फुगड्यो घालून म्हणटा शो मास्क ऑन सिसिल्या व्हिडिओ काढून जागृत कोत्ता गोंयच्या लोकांक कोविड जावन हाय सोंपला ताचो पाय देखून चड दूख भोगता ताका सरकाराक तें उलो मारता म्हणटा गोंयचे पोरजेक राखा ताचे पाय गोळ्ळा जे ताका दुसऱ्यांक गोळ्ळेले नाका देवी गुण्य पोवन लोक म्हणटा हाय देवा रामा रेल्वेनूय जाता मारगांव आनी वास्को दा गामा कोविड सर्टिफिकेट नाका पयशे घेवन आपली कोत्तात कामां 150 रुपया घेवन गांठयांक सोडटात पुलीस मामा बॉम्बे केसी वाडल्यात मनीस मोतात पूण दुकान गोवतात अशे पयशे घेवन तांकां एंट्री दिवन गोंयकार मेल्ले जाय म्हणून कोवता कॅर घेवन भायर मास्क तें सोडलें आमकां मास्क घाल म्हूण सांगत रावता मंत्री आमकां सांगता पूण आपूण मास्क नासतना भोंवता जायते आरटीओ पात्रा देवी ट्रान्सफर मागतात खोशेन बरोन बॉर्डरार पयशे मेवतात म्हणून थंय धांवतात फुडें सरोन आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक बॉर्डरार चॅकींग करूंक दवरूंक जाय व्हरोन सारको चॅक करिना तर कोवीड जावन वसोंदी मरोन नासतना सोडटात केदी लॉजी गोंयच्या सरकाराक पुलीस आसा बागी देखून रावता ओगी तांकां पयशे मेवता मोतीन दोरा ही जावन आसा व्हडली क्रीम त्या मनशाक बेगीन धरून व्हरा आनीक ते बसीचे परमीट बेगीन कॅन्सील कोरा आनीक ते बसीचे परमीट बेगीन कॅन्सील कोरा
हॅलो फ्रेंड शंकर बोलचे आमच्या गोंया खातीर आयज कोरोनान कितलेशे आमचे हजारांनी लोक मेले आनी आयज जे चॅकपोस्टाचेर घडटा जे आमी डे टू डे न्यूज पळयता की 250 रुपया दिवन ते बॉर्डर क्रॉस करतात म्हणून हे कितें चल्लां हांव सरकाराक विचारूंक सोदता बाबा रे तुमी आमच्या सगळ्या लोकांक मारूंक उठले आमच्या लोकांक SOPs कोणाक रे तुमीच SOPs फॉलो करिनात जे सरकारान बसल्यात आनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आहा तुमी SOPs फॉलो करिना मागीर ते SOPs कोणाक सादारण मनशा कडल्यान पयशे कलेक्शन करपाक आयज तुमी चॅकपोस्टाचेर जी चॅकींग दवरल्या 250 रुपया कितें तरी पडटा तेका आनी तुमी ती चॅकींग करून जे पयशे आतां करतात आमी कितें म्हणटा ते बऱ्यांतले बरे फॅसिलिटीज दिया मरे लोकांक एक मनशा फाटल्यान 250 100 लोक जर क्रॉस केले जाल्यार कितले पयशे जाले टुरिझम तुम्ही नाका त्या टायमाचेर ओपन केले म्हणून आयज केसी वाडलेले आमचे ते कंट्रोलान येयले आता आनी आयज लोकांचो बिझनस बंद आहा सगळें बंद आहा कितें लोक ते परत चालू करपाक सोदता तरी पूण केसीस कंट्रोलान येना आनी तुमी चॅकपोस्टांचेर सेटींग करता लज दिसपाक जाय हे जे कोण सेटींग करता चॅकपोस्टाचेर तेंचे स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन ही जावपाकूच जाय कित्याक सांग दीस इज इक्वलंट टू मर्डर तूं हे जे कोण सेटींग करता न्हू दीज आर क्रिमिनल्स
and make sure that people who are sitting at the desk there at the check post at Patra Devi are serious. Whether it's North Goa or South Goa, they have to be serious of anyone coming into Goa because the other states, our neighboring states, are following protocols. But why it's not happening when entering into Goa? Why 250 rupees is taken for an antigen test and just let go
For 250
by
rupees.
the bus person? It can be a driver, it can be a conductor, anyone collecting money and saying your seat, everything will be okay. Is this how lenient we're taking these things? Are we serious about
And
what
this
is entering?
This is the cost of Goan life, a 250 rupee bribe.
250 rupees bribe you're going to cost a family that this tourists are coming into Goa and settling down, or even if our Goans have gone to visit family members and when they're coming if they have COVID, this is something that we need to take a protocol because we are already like kind of safe and we're getting worse now. 72 cases in one day have been detected. We just recently checked our reports. Yesterday 2 people died in GMC because of COVID. Are we expecting again 1,000? Are we wanting more family members' lives? These antigen tests are a farce actually at the borders. An RT-PCR test is mandatory before traveling in and out of Goa or any other state.